2016 Chrysler 300. The Chrysler 300 combines sport and luxury in one unique and powerful package. If you're looking for elegance and performance, the 300 delivers. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, power passenger seat, navigation system, keyless entry, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, driver lumbar, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, ABS four-wheel, front floor mats, premium sound system, universal garage door opener, auto-off headlights, rear defrost, passenger airbag. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.